Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to install Android X86 on Windows using VirtualBox. If you've ever wanted a full Android operating system inside your Windows computer, not just an emulator, this is a great way to do it. And the best part, you'll get the real thing complete with the Google Play Store already built in. So you can run almost any app or game just like you would on a phone or tablet. You don't have to worry about your Windows setup because everything runs inside VirtualBox, so it won't affect your system. By the end of this video, you'll have a working Android desktop on your Windows PC that you can use for gaming, testing, or just exploring. Before we start, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Now, the first thing we need is VirtualBox. We have to download it. Open your browser and search for VirtualBox. Open first website. This is official website of VirtualBox. Click on the download button. A new page will open here. Click on Windows Host and Setup file will start downloading. We also need VirtualBox Extension Pack. This will help us to fix all Wi-Fi and USB drives problems inside VirtualBox. Now both files are downloading. When both files are downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. Open the VirtualBox Setup file to start the installation. Now, follow on-screen instructions and install it on your PC. Once installation is done, click Finish. Now we have to download Android X86 ISO file. Again, go to your browser. Open a new tab and search for Android X86. Open the first website. On the website, click on the Download button. Here you will find different images. You can select anyone. A new page will open. Here again, click on Download button and your ISO file will start downloading in few seconds. Our VirtualBox is installed and ISO is also downloaded successfully. Now we will create our Android virtual machine. Open VirtualBox. First, go to Extensions tab. Here, click on Install and then choose the extension pack we downloaded. Click Install. Scroll down and accept terms. Now it will start installing. Once done, go back to Home tab. Click New to create a new virtual machine. Enter the name Android. Next, click on Specify Virtual Hardware. First, allocate RAM. The minimum is 1 GB, but 2 GB or more will give you better performance. The best rule is to give half of total available. Now adjust the CPU settings. It's usually best to assign at least 2 cores or up to half of what your system has. Now create a virtual hard disk. The recommended size is at least 8 gigabytes, though choosing 30 to 40 gigabytes helps avoid space issues later. After selecting the size, finish the setup. Your VM is now created. But we have to change some settings. Go to Settings. In the General tab, open Advanced and set Shared Clipboard and Drag and Drop to Bidirectional. Go to Display and increase the video memory to the maximum allowed. Now open Storage. Select Empty. Then click the CD icon and open the Android X86 ISO you downloaded. Move to Network. You can keep it on NAT for basic internet access, or use a bridged adapter if you need other devices to reach the VM. Click OK to apply the changes. Your Android VM is ready for installation. Select it and click Start. It will begin loading. Android setup window will open. Now use arrow keys on your keyboard and go to Advanced Installation option and press Enter. Then go to Auto Installation option and press Enter. It will give you a warning that your disk will format it. Choose Yes and press Enter. Now it has started installing. Keep selected Run Android X86 and press Enter. Now complete the setup as you do on a normal Android device. And that's it. We have successfully installed Android X86 inside VirtualBox. Now connect to Wi-Fi. Sign in with your Google account and start using it. Make sure to update Google Play services in Play Store, and after that, everything will work fine.